Are you ready to captivate every visitor? Imagine embedding banners, pop-ups, and forms directly on your website. No technical skills required, just powerful content that enhances engagement. Did you know that pop-up forms can boost your email signups by 50%? Dynamic banners can increase product views by 40%. Plus, you'll see 4x higher engagement rates compared to social media. Quickly personalize your content and deliver real-time messages. Use effective data collection forms to gather valuable customer insights. This means more precise, targeted marketing efforts for you. Enjoy self-sufficiency and significant cost savings. Manage your marketing content with ease and accelerate your campaigns without needing IT support. Discover the best use cases. Display product recommendations and special promotions on banners. Collect newsletter consents with pop-up forms and inform customers of exciting offers. Join over 1,000 satisfied brands transforming their websites today. Don't wait! Elevate your on-site content now!